Okay, here I have a part that's a really long piece, and I've got some stuff going on here in the corners. I've got a hole and then a little tiny chamfer, and when I'm looking at it here, where I can sit on the page, you can see I have it as a quarter scale. I can't really see a lot of detail here. So there's two ways I can take care of this. One is I can do a detail view. So if I click detail view, I can come over and click somewhere to kind of start a circle, and I can draw a circle out here. So it's going to give me that. I can bring this up, and now I have this blown up, and I can even make that even bigger. Maybe make it like 1:1. And that way I can have a larger view of just that corner piece, and now I can call out that chamfer size and that whole location and size as I need to. So that's one way to do it. Usually we'll do details for more intricate things like this, or on a part that's not really just a long piece with stuff at the end, but it could be done there. Another option is to do a broken view. So if I just go to break view, I can click on that view and I can set some break lines. And so I can change what style. So I like to have the long break line. This one's more for wood pieces. That's for more round pieces. So I'm just going to use that one. I'm going to say OK. And now I can go into the properties, and I can set this whole page maybe 2:1. No, maybe that's too big. So maybe I'll just go 1:1. Boom. And now you can see, I can see the whole part. And if I go in and do a dimension, it's going to go ahead and give me the break line, and I can kind of grab that little break and stick it over there. And I can see the entire length, but I can see where these are nice and large, where I can get to them.